how will we be able to effectively and efficiently implement the big AIX pie that the Senate, Congress is giving the DSWD, given the same problem that exists now, that there's a credit limit for the limited number of personnel?
Yes, the effort really is right now, kung maaari, ang ginagawa nila, may cash sharing sila na fina-farm out na sa land bank. At nagumpisa na ito sa Region 4A at saka sa Region 3 kasi hindi na nga kinakaya ng taga-DSWD dahil labis-labis na nga ang laki ng pondo at napakaraming beneficiary.
I believe this is a similar problem with TUPAD as well, where there's also a limitation
Pero
on the
ang
number
tupad
of
ng
personnel.
liit-liit lang kung ihahambing
Compared
sa
to the AIX.
linalabas nila kasi meron silang QRF sa disaster, madali ang pa yun. May AIX, may AKAP, may sangkatutak na programa sa DSWD.
AKAP is a new program, yes.
Yung SOCPEN, napakalaki nun, yung social pension sa ating mga senior citizen
I'll get to that. I'm glad
Ang
that's
laki-laki na talaga ng
Yes.
programa ng DSWD, pero halos nakapako ang empleyado na permanente sa bilang ng 3,400.